I don't know who woke up one day and said, we got to fix the food in hospitals. You have to have something going on in this environment that's nurturing. What better thing to have than good food?
So Chef's Playground was sort of the cornerstone as we started to talk about how we can provide innovation and uniqueness in our care to the patients here at Children's Hospital. So it's the #1 children's hospital in the world, and the treatments they receive here are the best in the world. Everyone knows we have world-renowned physicians, world-renowned nursing care here. And so in order to bring that level of care to the rest of the organization and support services, we look for a way that we can contribute beyond just providing basic food and the necessities.
So it's great to be in a #1 organization. However, our department mission is really to become a #1 department in the #1 organization. And so we've decided to go on this food journey.
So Chef's Playground is a culinary transformation station that offers you the unique ability to actually cook to order. Flames are flying, that station is alive, and we're sauteing and preparing dishes to order. We have the opportunity to do exhibition style cooking as well as comfort. And that's what it is during the day. And what it has the opportunity to turn into in the evening is a full-blown studio kitchen where we have the flexibility and opportunity to allow folks to kind of sit around our station and really get a full studio kitchen Food Network experience.
As we develop our menus and our recipes, we've decided to focus on more plant-based options.
We're really committed to hormone-free, organic, all-natural.
The animal proteins we do provide are the highest quality, antibiotic-free, hormone-free. And so this is in line with the standards of the Healthier Hospital initiatives through Practice Green Health and Healthcare Without Harm. We were fortunate enough to be introduced to Commonwealth Kitchen. With meeting with Jen and Mia, it was very clear to see they were on the same path, same journey, looking to find relationships and partnerships with organizations to be able to utilize the foods that they were producing. And so we decided on rescue food. And this was overrun product from local farmers. And so what we decided was to purchase the apples, which they manufactured into our own applesauce, Chef's Playground applesauce. And then also our patients come down and have fun with our culinary team, whether it's making gluten-free granola or having ice cream made with liquid nitrogen.
So we had the opportunity to make frozen ice cream, partnering with the Child Life Department and other teams throughout the hospital. We had about 24 kids come down.
And they have figured out how to have good food and a great atmosphere. I mean, everything about this place, their food court, it's an aesthetic miracle.
This is awesome for them to, #1, get away, but also to have good food. The quality of the things that they're able to get in the hospital wasn't like what they just had.
Parents' Night Out is to have parents come down and have a 5-star meal.
I want to be able to talk to them as well while I'm cooking, so it's kind of a mix between ease of cooking and then being able to interact with the parents too.
It's intended for the parents who have to be here for a bit of time. Generally, folks who come here are the sickest of the sick, high acuity. So we create a fine dining experience at our Chef's Playground where our chefs really get the opportunity to showcase their skill and what they can do with the food that we're presenting, but it also gives the parents an opportunity to escape without escaping, without leaving the hospital. To come down and still be in the building, to stay here, it's comforting for them because oftentimes parents could be for months on end and they don't have the opportunity to go out and grab a dinner or to have any of that. So if we can help aid the parent in feeling some form of normalcy, that's really part of what, in addition to all the shiny and the great look of that station, I think what it can bring is experience and a bit of a moment for those parents to feel some sense of normalcy.
To be identified as the top pediatric food service in the country, and then take that criteria and be able to share that throughout the country, other pediatric hospitals, as we built our brand and developed these standards with great relationships, great talent, and great support from our organization, and help other patients, family, and staff at other pediatric hospitals across the country really elevate to becoming #1 as well.
We want to provide food with purpose and food that's intended to heal and help our patients in the process, but also educate through our food court space and all that we serve.
And you realize how we can make an impact on the families' lives, and that's why I appreciate all the work and the dedication of the team to put those type of events together.
this journey has been really, really meaningful, and I hope that we're able to share this throughout the country for other people to follow on with Chef's Playground and have the same impact that we're having at Boston Children's.